What's up, Amazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of November. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Okay, so my box is dented. Hopefully what's inside is not. Let me get my little info here. It's giving giftable glam. Okay, the first product, this was my choice item. This is the Item Beauty by Addison Rae In My Element eyeshadow palette. Have them seen stars with this blendable, buildable 10-shade shadow palette. A cosmic collection of warm shadows, cool neutrals, and star-dusted shimmers for a look that's out of this world. So this retails for $24. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not impressed by most of the eyeshadow palettes that I get in Boxycharm, but this is actually gorgeous. Like this color right here, Moonstar, yes, I live for that. The next product I have already received from Boxycharm. This is the second time, well, not just the second time, it's happened more than once where they've sent me products that I've already received. This is the Soleil Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush that retails for $150. If any of you have received repeat products and contacted Boxycharm, let me know in the comments what they said or what their response was, because I would be very curious if I could get something different since they've already given that to me before. Okay. Next is this Tint Reveal Spa Water Gel Mask. Reveal a beautiful, hydrated, and glowing skin with this refreshing and revitalizing spa water gel mask. Fortified with hyaluronic acid, cucumber, and melon extracts, it refines the skin with hydration for finer looking pores and an overall healthy, radiant glow. Apply a thick layer directly on the face and neck and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, this retails for $28. Okay, next we have this Luna Magic Beauty Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. A hydrating, sheer, lightweight lip balm that leaves lips soft and lush, infused with vitamin E to nourish lips and formulated with jojoba oil to heal dry lips and helps lock in moisture. Oh, you actually get two of them. So one is mango, this is the mango, and then you also get a cherry. Oh, that's kind of cool. I haven't heard of this brand before. Oh, it says new launch, but so this retails for $16. The last product is this Ciate London Velvet Lip Liner. Achieve velvety soft lips with this liner. This soft, matte, intensely pigmented formula glides effortlessly onto your lips to perfectly define or reshape your lips. So this is in the shade Cocoa. Uh-oh, I don't like the sound of that. Okay, I was thinking it was gonna be like a brown, but well, let's see. It's kind of like a mauve brown, but I definitely think it's something that I would wear. I didn't even know Ciate made lip liners. Oh, this says new launch as well. So this retails for $18. Alright, overall, really not happy about getting this because it's not a great heat brush to begin with. And they're trying to say it retails for $150. Not super excited about this water gel mask, but I am excited about this eyeshadow palette, this lip liner, and the lip balms. Okay, let me see what the retail value of the box is. Well, of course, with the heat brush, the total retail value is $236. Let's see how much it is without the heat brush. $86. Yeah, I might have to contact them because they also sent me another one of these, which I already have. But anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys think about this brush, and let me know if you've ever received duplicate products. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.